Hello everyone, now we are gonna unbox this parcel. So let's quickly open this. So here is the package, nothing more inside. This is a good packing. So the first coin we have here is like, once again, let me open this. So the coin here we have is 1951. This is actually this is a coin alignment. You should flip like this. 100 francs of Belgium of 1951. You can see here 1951. 100 francs. This is a 18-gram silver coin. A good weight of silver. I think this one I didn't order, it might be a gift from him. Okay, it's a good looking bimetal coin, so let's check that later. And other thing we have here is okay. So here we have the set. This is like a proof set. You can see once we open, we have this beautiful coin. You can see here 500 layer written here, L500, and this is a Italian coin, Italian silver coin. This also, hope very soon these will be on sale on our website. These two silver coins, Belgium 100 franc and Italy 500 layer. And we have here is the certificate of authenticity. Okay. So that's all we have here. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Hit the like button.